Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to make some delicious fudgy homemade brownies. For your ingredients, you're going to need some canola oil, some granulated sugar, semi-sweet chocolate chips, some salt, unsweetened cocoa powder, baking powder, instant espresso powder, all-purpose flour, unsalted butter, as well as 3 eggs. We're going to start by preheating the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to take a 9x9 inch baking pan. I'm using a silicone one and I'm just spraying it with some Pam spray. And then in a large bowl, we're going to sift together the flour, baking powder, salt, cocoa powder, and espresso powder. And then in a medium saucepan, we're going to combine the butter, oil, and 1/3 cup of the sugar. We're going to want to heat this over medium heat, stir constantly, and then once the butter is melted and everything's mixed together, we can remove it. In a separate bowl, we're going to take the eggs and the leftover sugar, and we're going to whisk those together. Next, we're going to take the warm butter mixture that was over the stove, and we're going to put it into the egg mixture, and then we're going to whisk until fully incorporated. We're now going to add in the flour mixture and the chocolate chips. And then we can use a rubber spatula to mix this in. If you want your brownies to be that cakey, thick texture, it's very important that you don't overmix this. And now we're just going to want to evenly spread out the batter into the prepared baking dish we have. And you can see here I'm just smoothing out the top a little bit. We can then put this in the oven and set the timer for 30 minutes. Now that the half an hour has passed, we can take out our brownies. To prevent the brownies from crumbling on us, we are going to leave it in the pan for a little bit to cool. This recipe is known for the cracked appearance it gives on the top. You'll also want the top to be shiny and you'll want firm edges. Once they've completely cooled, you can just leave them in the tray and cut them as is. I'm going to flip them out onto a plate and cut them that way. You can cut yours however you want. I'm cutting them into 9 slices. These brownies are super decadent, thick, fudgy, they're just delicious. I figured I'd mention the recipe does say that if you don't like coffee to maybe leave out the espresso powder. It is added to enhance the chocolate flavor, but it's totally up to you if you want to add it or not. I personally don't think it tastes a whole lot like coffee. If you end up making these brownies, let me know in the comments how you liked them. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. If you want to see more of my future content, don't forget to hit subscribe as well as the bell button. That will notify you when my videos do come out. With that being said, I hope you enjoyed the recipe and I will see you in my next one. Bye!